Exciting stuff this week. I am fulfilling a dream that I've had for decades. I am going to a workshop. It's going to be all quilting, and it's probably someone you know, but I'm going to keep that a little secret until later. First, I need to update you on the other part of life, the van build, and how I'm getting to the workshop. So let's get going. If you recall from the last video, I said I was going to hire someone to put the fans in the ceiling, and so I did. And the fella on the stepladder reading the instructions about how to do it is the guy I hired. Let me just say it didn't go well. However, these guys are saving my you-know-what.
Mitch Fisk
and Troy Havoc.
And they're from the
American Surplus Ice Castle in Montevideo, Minnesota.
Yes, awesome. Saviors. These guys got me wired up, and they are going to reinstall those fans when I get back. And meanwhile, here's a little peek at my half-done van, but it's ready to rock. Here's my view out my window, and here I'm hitting the road for the first time. And now we're going to jump forward 6 hours to my first site. This is the view from my first campsite. It was spectacular. This is in Valentine, Nebraska. I didn't know Nebraska could be so beautiful. It really pays to get off that interstate, folks. And here's my little van in its little spot, perched on the hill. I just couldn't believe how lovely it was, and no bugs. It was wonderful. And yes, I still plan to sew in the van. That little table flips up where the stool is there, and my sewing machine will sit on that. But for now, I'm scheduling. For now, I'm sketching, and I wanted to try and capture that beautiful scene. So my ink brush was starting to run out of ink, but that did not deter me. This was later in the evening, and I thought that was such a lovely blue. This is first thing in the morning when I woke up. Oh, does it get better than this, really? One little blooper, I brought coffee, but I didn't bring a grinder, so I had to find a coffee shop. And this is my second night. This time I'm at a horse farm, which is right up my alley. I used to be an avid dressage rider. This place is great, and they let me park my van right next to the paddock where these horses are kept. And I love it. I love the smells. I love everything about it. I'm going to be dreaming horses tonight. So first thing in the morning, I am leaving for the workshop, the big secret workshop that I'm not going to tell you about until next time. But I am learning some new skills, and I am super, super excited. Thank you everyone for putting up with me. I promise there will be quilting next time. See you then.